Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change an alternator. First, ensure your vehicle is off and cool. Gather all your tools, including a new alternator, a wrench set, and a serpentine belt tool. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting any work. This prevents accidental electrical shorts. Now, locate the alternator, which is usually visible near the front of the engine. With the battery disconnected, it's time to remove the old alternator. Use a serpentine belt tensioner tool to release the tension, then carefully slide the belt off the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect the main power wire and any other electrical connectors attached to the alternator. Finally, unbolt the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that hold the alternator in place. You might need to wiggle it a bit to free it from its bracket. Now, let's install your new alternator. Carefully position the new unit into its bracket and hand-tighten the mounting bolts. Do not fully tighten them yet. Reconnect all the electrical wires, ensuring they are secure and properly seated. Next, route the serpentine belt back onto all the pulleys, making sure it's correctly aligned. Use the tensioner tool to create slack, then release it to apply proper belt tension. Almost done, reconnect the negative battery terminal, ensuring it's tight and secure. Double-check all your connections and make sure no tools are left in the engine bay. Start your engine and observe the dashboard. The battery or charging system light should turn off. If it remains on, recheck your work. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to help you stay organized and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.